Now in question 1, exercise 4.1, question 1, sub question third one, construct the parallelogram more. Construct parallelogram more, M-O-R-E, and the given measures are OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, and EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. So before going to draw the fair diagram, let's draw a rough diagram. And it's given clearly the quadrilateral parallelogram. We know very well what type of quadrilateral are we going to draw now? Parallelogram. So let's draw a parallelogram, rough parallelogram here. Okay, then let's name the parallelogram more. M-O-R-E. Let's name the parallelogram. Given name is more, M-O-R-E. Then let's write the given measures. O-R. O-R equal to 6 centimeter. Then RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then EO. EO is 7.5 centimeter. EO is a diagonal. EO is a diagonal, that is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so now we have written the given measures, and actually what is the condition for the first exercise? What is the condition? When 4 sides and a diagonal, 4 sides of a quadrilateral and the length of one diagonal. So here only 2 sides are given, but anyhow we can find the remaining sides because it is a parallelogram. Is it or not, children? And can you remember the properties of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel as well equal in length. If OR 6 centimeter, ME also 6 centimeter. Likewise, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, so opposite side, no, OM also 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are parallel as well equal in length. So now you see, you received the required measures. So now when you look at like this, you are getting triangle ORE and the required 3 measures. Even if you look like this, you are getting the required 3 measures in the triangle OME. So let's start the triangle ORE. So let's take the base OR. Let's take the base OR 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter and name OR, and it is 6 centimeter. Okay, then now we are constructing the triangle ORE only. No, this triangle only we are constructing. So OR we finish, and which vertex we need to get? Vertex E. We need to get the vertex E. To get the vertex E, we need 2 arcs, that is from R. From R 4.5 centimeter. Then from O 7.5 centimeter. You are having required length from R 4.5 centimeter one arc. Then from O with 7.5 centimeter another arc. So now let's take 4.5 centimeter using scale and compass. 4.5. So from R only, because RE only, no. So on R you keep the pointer of the compass and make an arc. This is 4.5. Now to get another arc, because we need to construct vertex E from R over, then from O only. From O only you are going to get, because we are not having a vertex M. From M we cannot make. So from O only. So to get the vertex E, there are three ways. I mean, this line segment, this one, this one. So from R we finished. Then from where can you get the next arc? From O only, not from M, because at present we are not having M, vertex M. So from O only you can make the another arc with 7.5 centimeter. So from O how much? Because OE we are going to construct the next vertex E only. So from O you make an arc. The arc has to intersect the previous arc. So OE is 7.5 centimeter. Now you received an intersecting point and name this point E. Then join E and R. Join ER, likewise join EO. So now we received the triangle ORE. Let's write the lengths. Triangle ORE we finished, and the remaining vertex, which vertex we need to construct now? M. Vertex M we have to construct. So to get this M, you are having the way from OM 4.5 centimeter one arc, then from EM 6 centimeter. So from O 4.5, then from E 6 centimeter. So what you can do, no? Just you can copy, because OM is how much? 4.5. Already this is 4.5 only, no? RE 4.5. So let's copy, because it's a parallelogram. So RE 4.5 same as OM, no? So from O you make 4.5 centimeter one arc. From O you finished. Then from E how much you should take? 6 centimeter. So again from here you can take, because opposite sides are equal in length. OR is 6 centimeter is same. OR 6 centimeter same as EM. So from E you should make 6 centimeter. Just measure this one, and from E you make another arc here. So now you received one more intersecting point here. Then let's name this vertex M. Then join now. Join M and O. Then M and E. That's all. So let's write 4.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. And now the parallelogram more is constructed. And what type of parallelogram is this? It's a rectangle. Is it or not? It's a rectangle. To confirm, in a rectangle all the angles are right angle, perpendicular. Now you see, children, exactly 90 degree you are getting. Likewise you can check here also. See, without using protractor we constructed how we are getting exactly 90 degrees. So this is a parallelogram. That is what type of parallelogram? In a parallelogram family it's a rectangle.